So hello, my dear friends. Today, I will introduce you the best AI tool, which will generate latest images for you and also convert them into video. With this, you will get lots of features available, like face swap, AI image upscaler, AI art generator, AI eraser, remove objects from photos. Also, latest models like DeepSeek R1 focuses on deep understanding and multi-turn dialogue, creative content creation, Flux and Stable Diffusion 3, create more quality images, comfy UI workflows and tools. Let me show you this tool, SeaArt AI, the all-in-one platform for mind-blowing image and video creations, now supercharged with DeepSeek feature. You will find the link in the description box, or you can search on Google SeaArt AI. So welcome back to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video. This is a first interface of SeaArt AI. From here, you can explore all the features. Let's start our video with Create an Image. For this, I simply click on Create Image. And here on the right side, you simply have to select your model. Select Generation Mode, promote Magic on Auto, and select your image ratio. I go with 1:1 ratio. Also, select Image Quantity. When you're done, here is a prompt section. For the prompt, we will help of DeepSeek R1 that provides accurate answers. Here you will find Chat Setting, where we will select DeepSeek R1 model. Also, you can customize like memory-enabled chat, full screen mode, or parameters. And I simply write a prompt with the help of DeepSeek R1. You know the DeepSeek R1 optimized to clear objectives. Define the purpose, style, and theme of your prompts. Realistic, abstract, cinematic. Provide context, such as the setting or story behind the image, video, to guide creativity. So here our prompt is ready. Let's copy and simply paste in prompt box. After this, simply click on Generate. Let's skip the processing. Let me show you the result. So here you can see the text to video is ready, as we had put it in the prompt, with help of DeepSeek R1. So friends, this way, you can generate text to video with DeepSeek R1. Focuses on deep understanding and multi-turn dialogue, suitable for deep interaction and creative content creation. Now let's try creating the image, for example. I have also got this prompt written by DeepSeek R1. After a little processing, you can see here how beautiful the image has been generated. Now, we will convert this image into a video. How we do that? For this here, you can see Image to Video tool. Simply click on this. Select AI model, click Confirm, and you will jump on this page, and here you have to select Generation Mode and Video Duration, and here simply input what you want to see on your image. When you're done, simply click on Generate. I skip the processing. You can see the image to video is generated. Let's generate another image, for example. We will copy the prompt generated by DeepSeek R1 and simply paste in prompt box. Click on Generate. After a little processing, here you can see text to image has been generated. And now we will convert this image into a video. So I will input this image here. We will keep the duration of the video to 10 seconds, and inputting the same prompt, simply click on Generate. I will skip the processing. You can see our image to video is ready. It looks so beautiful. So friends, this is how you can generate text to image and image to video with the DeepSeek R1 for deep learning your prompts on SeaArt AI. Also, you can generate latest images by using Flux on SeaArt AI. Simply input your prompt and click on Generate when you're done. You can see our images ready by using Flux. AI Face Swap, Step 1. Choose a template to preview. Here you will find many previews for swap. Step 2. Add a face on the right and click Generate. After a little processing, you can see here our image is done. You can also face swap in the video as well. Just simply select your template and add face. Click on Generate. Then you can see face swapped. AI Image Upscaler. This is very advanced. Here you can scale your image up to 8x and generate more quality. I will select an image here, for example. And here you can see on the right side, you can upscale images up to 4K. Also, you can select styles and add prompts for your image. When you're done, simply click on Generate. Few seconds you see our image is upscaled up to more quality. AI Background Remover. All you have to do, simply select your image, which you want, remove background, and just one click, our image background has been removed. With this on SeaArt AI, you can create AI app. From here, you can select the template for your AI app with comfy UI, and here you will find node library. By click Create AI Character. You can also create your own AI character in this. You simply need to input the data of your character here, like name, gender, voice. Also AI audios where you will find many voice correctors, which you can convert voice, text to voices. Also, access canvas, workflow, and LoRa training. Generate more quality images, comfy UI, and stable diffusion 3.5 on SeaArt AI. And there are many features that you will get to see in it. So try SeaArt AI now.